Caliphate. We all have our blue Columbias on. All three of us. The math department.
Do you all have jeans on too?
No, Mrs. Fisher has a dress on. So, did you ever hear the phrase, if you can say it, you can do it?
It was my grandpa.
Put that away. All right, so today's the first. If you can say it, you can do it. If you can say it, you can
Do it.
repeat after me. If you can say it,
You can say it.
you can do it.
You can do it.
That's not what I said. If you can say it, you can do it.
You can rap.
Now, I want you to repeat after me. Outside times outside.
Outside times outside.
Inside times inside.
Inside times inside.
Again, outside times outside.
Outside times outside.
Inside times inside.
Inside times inside.
You got a 0 for the day. You didn't follow directions. I can see your masks moving, or not. Outside times outside, inside times inside. That is the rule for multiplying roots. You know, we've been working, yesterday we did the Pythagorean theorem where you have to take the square root. The day before that, well, a couple days before that, we worked on simplifying square roots, remember? Where we looked to see if any of these went into a value to simplify it. So today we're going to multiply square roots. And what you just said, that's the rule for multiplying roots. Outside times outside, inside times inside. So if I'm multiplying these two together, 3 roots of 2 times 5 roots of 2, I'm going to multiply outside times outside. What's 3 times 5? 15. And then I'm going to multiply the inside value times the other inside value.
4.
2 times 2 is 4. Now, is that simplified? No. Why not? Because square root of 4 is equal to 2. So really, this is 15 times 2, which is 30. Look at how simple that looks compared to,
That's easy.
yes, it's not bad. Now, if you notice, we're going to do outside times outside. There is nothing here. Yes, very good. You pretend that's a 1. Outside times outside.
4.
Inside times inside.
9.
Am I done?
No.
Am I done, Reese?
No.
Why not? Because I heard everybody else say it. What's the square root of 9?
3.
4 times 3 is?
12.
Not too bad, right? How about this one? Outside times outside. 3 times 4.
12.
And then inside times inside, I have 2 times 18 is 36. What is the square root of 36? So really, I have 12 times 6. 72, yes. It is 72. Anybody with questions so far? Outside times outside. Inside times inside. Can I simplify root 6?
No.
No, right? So this one, you're finished. At this step, you're done. Because square root of 6 can't be simplified, you're just done. You're just done. Done, done. Right. In a good way. So one more. Anybody with questions so far? Anyone? Anyone? So one last one I have here. I have 3 roots of 2 times 5 roots of 6. What's 3 times 5?
15.
So 15 outside. 2 times 6?
12.
12. I'm done? I'm done?
Yeah.
No. Remember our list? Remember a couple days ago? Remember the list over here. We have to see if any of these values in our perfect square list go into 12. What is 12 equal to? Yeah, we learned that a couple of days ago. To simplify, if it doesn't come out even, that doesn't mean you're done. You can still simplify. And remember what it means to simplify a root. It means take as much out of the root as you can. So how would I break down 12? What goes into 12 on the list over there?
4 and 3.
4 times 3. So remember there was a rule that said you can break that down. It's separate root of 4 times root of 3. What is root of 4?
2.
So really this is 15 times 2 times square root of 3. This root of 4 is 2. And now what? 15 times 2 is 30 square roots of 3. Does that make sense? So if you can simplify it, if you can take out, our perfect squares, 4, 9, 16, 25, and so on. If you can take those out, you should. Right? Right? So that's about all I have to say. Do you have questions? Yes.
So how come you wouldn't take the 6 out of 6?
Well, good. She says, why would you not simplify the 6? Well, look over here. Do any of these values divide into 6 evenly? No, right? You want perfect squares that divide in because square root of 9 is 3, square root of 16 is 4, square root of 25 is 5. Does that make sense? So none of those values would go into 6. Even though 6 is 2 times 3, none of the perfect squares go in. Any other questions? I thought I saw, did you have a question? Yes,
And
right?
then also for the assignment, they have like the dividing sign instead.
They have a dividing sign.
I don't know,
For-
instead of like a.
Oh, right,
fraction.
that's, yes, like number 2, it's square root 32 over square root 2, square root 16. Yeah, you can just put them under 1. Yeah, just divide it. Well, they're both under separate ones. You'll see when you get there. Yes, ma'am. Hang on, let me shut this off.